a classic gin-based cocktail that delivers a delightful blend of fruity and citrusy notes. The Paradise drink is both refreshing and flavorful, making it a perfect choice for a leisurely afternoon or a sophisticated evening. You will need the following ingredients: 1.5 ounces gin, preferably a London dry gin for its robust flavor profile. Half an ounce apricot brandy, provides a unique sweetness and distinct fruitiness. Half an ounce fresh orange juice, freshly squeezed for the best taste. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, hawthorn strainer, chilled cocktail glass, jigger, ice cubes. Here are the instructions. Add ice cubes to a cocktail shaker. Pour the gin, apricot brandy, and fresh orange juice into the shaker. Shake well for about 15 to 20 seconds to thoroughly mix the ingredients and chill the drink. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass using a hawthorn strainer. Garnish with an orange twist or a slice if desired. The Paradise cocktail dates back to the 1930s and is listed in the famed Savoy Cocktail Book, one of the most influential cocktail books of all time.